Check out this NASCAR right here. It's a Martin number 6 NASCAR. It's just insane the amount of tech they put in here and amount of work they put in here. As you can see, the top windshield is braced, full roll gauge, and the dash, all you need really is the RPM and some oil pressure, water pressure, and also it has 2 MSD over there just in case one goes down. You got to back up, and the seat are really snug. I sat in there and it's kind of like really hard. It like hugs you real tight. As you can see right here, it has a little cushion just in case you crash. Apparently it takes like 40 minutes to start the car, so you have to prime everything, make sure everything's warmed up to actually start the car. So that's why it's so hard to start it. Ducts right here, full slick tire. Check out the trunk real quick. And there's the fuel cell. And this is where I vent the fume from the tank. This is a Ford Thunderbird, and apparently the only thing that is stock from this thing, everything's completely fabricated. So the trunk is stock, and that little inlet over here is stock. Everything else is fully built. Then let's take a look at the engine, of course, on this Thunderbird. You got 4 of these hood pin. Then it goes up. There you go. All pure American muscle. Fully caged it. The tires are right here. Look how wide these slick tires are. This is my hand. Look how wide that is. Big, giant brake caliper. V8, of course. Pure American muscle. Like to see more? Follow the channel. See more video like these.
ハイパースピードメディア